everyone, this is Kay Honest Review Hub, and today I'm going to give you my honest review on these garbage disposal cleaner drops. Now, if you're looking for a way to freshen up your garbage disposal, these drops are the way to go. It's very simple to use. You put on a full stream of hot water in your garbage disposal for a minute, then you're going to reduce your water, turn off your garbage disposal, drop your little guy in, and then you're going to turn on your garbage disposal for another 15 seconds. Now, the smell is divine. I wish you could smell it through the video. It's not an overwhelming scent by any means. The lemon zest scent is very fresh. It's just fresh, light, and very subtle. They look good, they smell good, and I would highly recommend them if you are looking for a garbage disposal cleaner.